guys,
Stop
it's your
talking.
favorite Indian,
Hey.
Serena Betsavle.
Hey guys, it's your favorite Chinese Kung Fu chicken.
What is up, guys? It's your favorite Korean. We are here today with a video vlog, long day thing going on. I don't know what I'm saying. Today we are going to Relay for Life. If you don't know what that is, well, Relay for Life is a cancer supporting event. Basically, it's like an all-night walkathon sleepover thing that will happen at our high school. So we're gonna go to that. I'm gonna go with my buddy Jared. Fellow founder of AcroViews. Follow us. After probably around sunset, around golden hour, me and Jared are gonna go off and try to find this, or get up to this cool bridge spot that I found. It was like, I don't even know exactly how to get there. I just know that I've seen it, I've driven by it, like underneath it as it's gone over me. I'm like, oh, that looks cool, and I wanted to go up there. So we're gonna go and try and figure out how to get up there. It's somewhere in the Issaquah Factoria area. So yeah, stick around for that. Jared brought his drone, so if you want to see some drone footage, which you guys have asked for, if you want to see some drone footage, then you gotta wait, because it's gonna be in the end of the video. Yeah, so we will catch you guys at Relay for Life. Peace.
So Relay for Life is pretty great this year. We raised a lot of money for our team, Luke Relay Walkers. Yeah, we're having a blast. I'm eating a grilled cheese sandwich.
How's the sandwich?
Sandwich is at least 11 out of 10.
11?
Yeah.
It's me.
Relay for Life!
What is it for?
It is for honoring and remembering those we've lost to cancer.
Yes.
How's it going so far?
It's pretty good. I'm about to go buy some Luminaria bags to honor some of my family members that passed away. So,
Jason?
he's wearing my sunglasses.
Yep, she took the words right out of my mouth. That's exactly what we're doing. We're walking the track, trying to raise awareness, and drinking water.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
I bet this video is going to be called She Goes to Relay for Life.
You took the words out of my mouth.
Alright, we have made it back to my house. We just left Relay for Life. Jared's waiting in the car. I'm gonna grab some stuff, some sweatshirts and stuff, because it's getting kind of cold, because even in Seattle, even when it gets sunny, it's still cold, so whatever. And we are gonna head up to this bridge it's like, I don't even know what it is. I think it's a train crossing, but it's something like that. It's overlooking the highway, and like this cool view, and there's a bunch of stuff out there. So yeah, we're gonna get it. We're gonna head out real quick, and we'll see you guys at the end of the vlog again. Peace out, see you, stick around for the drone footage. Bye.
Gave my name to all of them.